Iman Gadzhi just made a move that's about to change everything in the online business space. The guy who built his empire on agency services is now going all in on digital products. And if you don't understand why, you're missing the biggest opportunity right now. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why even the most successful entrepreneurs are pivoting to digital products right now and how you can start making and selling them in the next 48 hours. For those who don't know, Iman Gadzhi built IAG Media into a multi-million-dollar agency. The guy was crushing it with high-ticket client work, consulting, and done-for-you services. So why would someone at the top of their game suddenly shift focus? But I've been in the digital product space for over 2 years, generating over $400,000, and I can tell you exactly what Iman figured out. The first reason is, and this is the big one, scalability without burning out. When you're running an agency, you're essentially trading time for money at scale. More clients means more meetings, more management, more problems, and less revenue because more employees, more overheads. Your revenue looks bigger and bigger, but the profit margins, they start diminishing. Many entrepreneurs think landing high-ticket clients is the dream. But here's what they don't realize. Every client becomes a ceiling on your freedom. Iman realized something crucial. Digital products sell while you sleep. His courses, his community, memberships, his digital frameworks, they're working 24/7 without him being on Zoom calls at 11 p.m. with demanding clients. When I started my digital product journey over 2 years ago, I discovered the incredible freedom this model provides. Creating products that generate passive income every single month while you focus on scaling and helping more people. That's the power Iman tapped into. Second reason is, and this is why timing matters, recession-proof revenue. When the economy gets shaky, the first thing businesses cut? Expensive agency retainers and consulting fees. But you know what people still invest in during tough times? Their own skills and knowledge. They buy courses, join communities, purchase digital tools that help them make money. Iman saw this coming. While other agency owners are struggling to retain clients, he's building a business model that actually grows during economic uncertainty. Look at what happened during 2020. Agencies struggled, but digital product creators, they absolutely thrived. People stuck at home wanting to learn new skills, build side hustles. The digital product market exploded because people needed solutions they could implement themselves. Third reason, legacy. An agency is dependent on the founder. If Iman steps back, client relationships suffer, quality drops, revenue crashes. But digital products, they create systems and communities that outlive you. His digital products aren't just courses, they're creating a movement. Thousands of people implementing his frameworks, getting results, becoming case studies. That's how you build something bigger than yourself. This is what I discovered when I started my digital product journey 2 years ago and built my community, the Passive Profit Club. The results have been incredible. Every single person who's joined PPC and followed our system has made their first sale guaranteed. But what drives me is creating something that genuinely changes lives at scale. And the fourth reason, the margins are insane. With agency work, your profit margins are capped by team costs, software overheads. Even successful agencies rarely break the 30 to 40% profit margins. Digital products, I'm talking about 90% plus margins. Once you create it, every sale is almost pure profit. Iman can sell a course for $2,000 and it costs him maybe $50 in platform fees and payment processing. I've experienced this firsthand over the past years. My digital products that took me focused effort to create have generated over 6 figures in revenue. But more importantly, through PPC, I've helped dozens of people create their own profitable products, and every single member who follows a proven system makes their first sale. That's the math that changed everything for me, and it's the same math Iman figured out. But here's what's really happening. Iman isn't just pivoting, he's positioning himself for the future of business. We are moving into an economy where information and transformation are the most valuable currencies. People don't just want services done for them anymore. They want to learn how to do it themselves. They want communities, mentorships, frameworks they can implement. The entrepreneurs who understand this shift are going to dominate the next decade. Those who don't, they'll be competing in an increasingly commoditized service market. So here's my question for you. Are you still trading your time for money, or are you ready to build assets that work without you? If you want to learn exactly how to start selling your own digital products in the next 48 hours, even with zero experience, I have created something special for you. Fill out the Google form below and I will personally email you my complete system to create a profitable product in less than 48 hours with no experience needed. This is the exact framework that has helped every single PPC member make their first sale. Don't wait on this. The form is in the description below. You know, Iman didn't pivot to digital products by accident. He saw the future coming and positioned himself ahead of the curve. The question is, will you do the same? Hit that subscribe button, and if you want to know exactly what digital products will make you a crazy amount of money in 2026, watch the video linked in the description below.